proof code, and today we'll be making Hangman in Python. This was a challenge from my ninth video where we were making a simple game. So, and this is the challenge, and this is now the challenge for my previous video. If you haven't seen any of my previous beginner series, you can go check them out. The playlist link is in the description box below. And if this is your first time here to know how to code, start coding by subscribing. It does really help me out because we'll be using all the concepts we covered up in the previous series. So let's open up idle so we can start building the game. And now you want to create a new file and save it. And this is tutorial 5. Make sure on your computer you must save it as hangman.py. So I'll save this as tutorial 5 and go ahead and save it. So one thing to do before we start building the game, we want to import random. So we're using the random module for the words. So I'll just make this window a little bit bigger, and now we can define the functions. So the first function we'll define is the function to choose the word. So you can say use def choose word, and it doesn't take any arguments. And now we're going to create a list of words. So you're going to call this variable words equals apple, banana, pear, peach, mango. So this is our list of words. And now what to do, we're going to return a random word. So we're going to use random dot choice. We're going to choose from the list of words. Now we want to define a function to display the word. So you would say def display word, and we're going to put word and the guessed letters. And now we're going to say we're going to call this variable displayed word equals this here to just be empty for now, and then say for letter in word, and letter in word, and this time we'll say if the letter is in the guessed letter, it's in the guessed letters, and say the displayed word plus equals the letter, and otherwise else we're going to add the displayed word, and we'll add and I'm going to add this underscore here. And now we want to return, now we're returning the displayed word, and now we want to define the main function to start Hangman. So you can go play Hangman online on the internet, because Hangman is available to play on the internet as well. So you can go download it on your phone or PC, and if you want to play on the internet, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So let's continue writing the code. I'm going to say def hangman. It doesn't take any arguments. So I'm going to call this variable word equals choose word. It doesn't take any arguments. So we're using choose word because it will choose a random letter from this list of words. And now we're going to say guessed letters, and this will be an empty list for now, and then we're going to set attempts to 6, and now this will set the number of attempts. And now we want to display a welcome message when the user starts the program. Let's say print welcome to Hangman. And now we're going to use a while loop. So this while true loop is a forever do loop, and now we want to print this. So \n. So what this \n actually means, this stands for new line character in Python. And now we're going to say plus the display word and add word guess the letters. So we're going to use our variables. And now we're going to get we're going to get some user input. So let's say guess equals input, guess a letter. And now we're going to add dot lower, which will convert the input to lowercase. And now we want to say if the guess is in the guessed letters, you want to print that you've already guessed that letter, and we're going to add continue. So this will continue the game, and now we want to use guessed letters dot append, and we'll add the guess. So we're appending the guess to the empty list we have here. Otherwise, if we say if the guess is not in the word, we want to subtract the attempts by 1. And now we're going to say print sorry guess the guess is not in the word. Say the guess is not in the word. Attempts, let's say attempts remaining, and we say if the underscore not in display, and if it's not in the display word and word guessed letters, and sorry, I forgot to add the colon. And now we want to print the \n. Congrats, you guessed the word. You guessed the word. You guessed the word, and we're going to put word. So explaining what this \n, because programmers in Python use it as the \n character. So now once the game is finished, we want to break the loop. And now now that we've defined Hangman, use Hangman. Now we can run our program and the game starts. So we can guess a letter. So let's say A, B, sorry, that's reversed. And that's how we build Hangman in Python. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing and turning on post notifications so you don't miss on any new videos, because I need 10,000 subscribers. It does really help me out. And like the video if you appreciate it. It also helps me out. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any feedback, please leave in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, guys, help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe for more uploads. I'll leave the subscribe link in the description as well. So, and also if you don't have Python installed on your computer, don't worry, I'll also leave the download link in the description. So bye, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.